Sun and dry on the floor, fuzzy feet explore, purring all around, soft without a sound. Carpets in the hall, tiny paws so small, chasing down the light, playing all the night. Cats and carpets fly underneath the sky, paws and fibers blend, joy that has no end. Windows wide awake, morning starts to break. Cats in every space, sprinkling fairy grace. Cats and carpets go, moving to and fro, tails and textures blend, happiness my friend. Every thread alive, whiskers in a dive, tumbling through the air, love is everywhere. Windows wide awake, morning starts to break. Cats in every space, sprinkling fairy grace. Windows wide awake, moving to and fro. Cats in every space, sprinkling fairy grace.